This is Steve with Rocky Mountain ATVMC, and today I'm going to show you how to service the air filter on a Can-Am Maverick 1000R. Servicing your air filter is one of the easiest and most important things that you can do for your machine. Now, Can-Am recommends servicing your air filter at 8 hours or 155 miles. Depending on the riding conditions that you're in, you may want to do it sooner. So today I'm going to show you how to do that on this 2013 Maverick 1000R. Now, these procedures are very similar to other Can-Am models, but you need to check with your OEM service manual for the proper procedures. To do this job, you'll need some contact cleaner, rags, rubber gloves, and safety glasses, and a copy of your OEM service manual for more information, proper procedures, and specs. Now, we're using the uni serviceable type air filter because it'll save us some money in the long run. But we have a wide variety of air filters here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, so come check them out and see what one works for you. First thing we need to do is remove the hood. Now we need to remove the airbox cover. There's 6 clips. Now let's remove the air filter. Now you'd think that this air filter is fairly clean, but it's pretty dirty. If you look inside the airbox here, there is a fair amount of dirt that has gone by the actual air filter. Me personally, I like to use a foam air filter type with oil because I think that it filtrates better than your typical paper style filter. So that's why we're going to replace this with the uni filter, because it's a foam oil filter type. Now, the reason we're using a foam style air filter is they filtrate really well. Now, the reason is for that is it's porous, and so it will allow a lot of air to go through. Now, when you add foam air filter oil to it, it creates a very sticky environment, which will pretty much catch everything that comes through there. Now, the other big plus to this is after it gets very dirty, you can go ahead and clean it, re-oil it, and reuse it. You don't have to just replace it. So you're usually money ahead because you just need to spend a little money on some oil. So we're going to go ahead and install this uni foam air filter oil to this uni filter and install it into the machine. Make sure to use enough oil and work it in every square inch of the foam. Now that we've got that oil, let's go ahead and clean our airbox out using contact cleaner and a rag. Make sure to get your airbox lid too. Now let's take our new uni filter and we'll go ahead and install that into the machine. And now our airbox lid. Now let's reinstall the hood. And that's it. That's all there is to servicing the air filter on your Can-Am Maverick 1000R. Come check us out at RockyMountainATVMC.com for more parts, apparel, and accessories. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Steve. We'll catch you next time.